Today's topic is understanding elementary shapes, perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect and the angle between them is a right angle, then the lines are said to be perpendicular. You see this figure, AB is line on this NL is perpendicular line. So the angle of NMB will be 90 degree. So any angle will be perpendicular like this, it will be 90 degree. Suppose example for this board also will get a shape of like this. So all the angle will get 90 degree. So it is called perpendicular lines. So angle will be 90 degree. Exercise 5.5 first question is, which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? First one, the adjacent edges of a tabletop. Tabletop will be like this shape. So this edges and this edges will be 90 degree. So it is 90 degree for first one, it is true. Second one, the lines of a railway track. First one is 90 degree will be there, it is perpendicular. Second one will be, railway track will be like this shape, so it will not be 90 degree, it is parallel line, so it is not 90 degree, so it is not a perpendicular line. Third one will be the line segment forming the letter L. L will be this shape, so we have 90 degree in this. D1, the letter V. V doesn't have 90 degree. V it's not 90 degree, so it is not a perpendicular line. This is 90 degree we get, so it is perpendicular line. Second question is, let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. What is the measures of angle PAY? It will be line segment is X and Y. This is P and Q will meet at A. So their angle of PAY is 90 degree. When we say this angle, this one we have to write in center. Either PAY can write or YAP can write. But this A should be in the center. It is 90 degree. So all the angle will be 90 degree. Third question is, there are two set square in your box. What are the measures of the angle that are formed at their corner? Do they have any measures that is common? This is like this. Two set square will be there in a geometry box. Okay. So this angle will measure now. This will be 90 degree. For this set square box, one box, square box, one is 90 degree. While seeing only you can find this is 90 degree, and this angle will measure now. This is protector. In the protector you have to keep the center point here. Keep like this. And this is 60 degree. This angle will be 60. find the other angle. Like this you should keep. This length also should be here. We have now, this is 30 degree here in this set square box. One more we'll measure now in this second one. We have now here 45 degree. See, 40 to 50 we have in center. This is 45. Second set square box, one angle is 45 and this angle also will measure. This also will be 45 now, and this one will measure. It is 90 degree here. See, it is 90 degree. Here 80, here 100. This line we got it. This is 90. So in both the set, which is common angle we have? Here also 90 degree. Here also we have 90 degree. So in both the set box, we have common angle is 90 degree. Fourth question is your homework.